I would rather forget my underwear than my Kindle. That would be bad for everyone involved. I am going to Thailand for 2 weeks and I am only bringing 1 carry-on suitcase and 1 personal item of a backpack. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. First off, my Pro Gamer Strat, not sponsored. Okay, girl, I freaking wish it was. One of the things that I do to help me is, stick with me here because this is gonna take a second. I digitized my entire closet using the Index app. I have a packing list for Thailand, and then within my packing list, I can make outfits. So that way I know that every single thing I bring, a top will have a bottom for it. And then this bottom can be paired with these tops and this, that, and the other. That is how I stay organized. Like I put my jewelry on there and yada, yada, yada. Let's get into it. I'm like putting it off because I'm a little nervous. This is the second time I've ever left the country. I've never been to Thailand, so I'm really excited. Just a little nervous. Okay, girl, enough. Let's for real do it. 1 pair of cotton pants, linen pants, jean shorts, linen shorts, 1 pair of biker shorts. Believe it or not, these are all of the bottoms I am bringing to Thailand with me, and that is because elephant pants are really popular there. Like even the locals wear it. All this information I'm getting from my roommate who was born there. So even though I've never been there, I do have like some insider knowledge. I hope, God. I don't want to pack too many things, but then part of me is like, is this enough? But then part of me is like, ugh, I'll figure it out there. It'll be fine. Now time for tops. I am bringing a few more of those. A long sleeve linen top that matches my linen shorts. This way I can have it for modesty if I go to any temples. A long sleeve cotton white top, again for modesty. 1 t-shirt for working out. Plain white t-shirt. An asymmetrical tube top. Pattern linen tank top. A gingham tank top. Plain black tube top. And then 1 navy island girl tank top. This looks kind of crazy, but this is a wrap skirt that also doubles as a wrap dress. So I can wear it with any of my tube tops or wear it on its own, which I think the versatility of this piece is really what I need for packing so little. Why I look like this, I was trying stuff on because I was like, do I really want this? Do I want this swimsuit? And so now I think we're good. So we're gonna keep it going. I did add a dress and then I forgot about a top. Okay. Casual beach cover-up type of dress. And then I forgot to add this like big scarf. I got this from my grandpa. He said it's 100% silk. I will use it as a shawl and I will also use it as a top. 2 anti-chafe shorts because girl, I will be miserable if I don't have it. 1 tankini-ish bikini top, bottoms to go with that. 1 bikini top, another pair of bikini bottoms, and this one can go with either of my tops. 2 one-piece swimsuits, swimsuit cover-up skirt. I think I'm gonna bring 2 sets of pajamas. Now that I have this massive, overwhelming pile of clothes, I think it's time that we start folding them and putting them in my suitcase so then we can move on to other things that I need to pack. So far, so good. I did end up taking out 3 different pieces. These are ones that I will have to sit on and think about. I think for sure I don't need this extra t-shirt, but these 2 are still up in the air. What's nice about the Index app is as I'm like going through, I'm like checking off what I have packed. That way I don't have to guess and like freak out. For my suitcase, the rest of the things I need to pack in here are some shoes, some jewelry, oh my underwear, oh my god. If I forgot, I don't even want to think about that actually. I'm not speaking that into the universe. Okay, let's just get into the other random things. For some reason, whenever I just put everything down that I need to bring, it just made me feel overwhelmed. Let's do this piece by piece. I am only bringing 2 bags, 1 fanny pack, and then one like more so everyday bag. It has this little handle here, but it is also a crossbody bag, and I think that will be very beneficial for when I don't want to carry something around. Some of this will go in my suitcase and some of this will go in my personal item, like under the seat. I'm bringing some jewelry. For Christmas, my roommate got me this mini jewelry travel case, which was so sweet and really, really useful. Like, look at that. It's so cute. So I'm gonna keep my jewelry and my hair ties and stuff in here. This Sunbum bag will be for my medicine. I am bringing Zyrtec, Tylenol, ibuprofen, and Tylenol PM. Because girl, I'm not gonna stay awake on that plane. It's like a 25-hour plus travel day. I'm gonna wanna be conked out for the majority of that. I will also put my Zoloft in here, but I need to calculate it for it to only be like 2 weeks worth because I don't want to bring a 3-month supply of Zoloft with me. I just don't think that that is necessary, and I feel like it looks a little weird, okay? So not gonna do that. Personal item side so that I can take my medicine on the plane. This will go in my carry-on suitcase. I always have my index app for all of my clothes and stuff, but girl, my most used app, my favorite app, Notes app, of course. I put everything else in here. Girl, I'm overwhelmed. Even though like this is like really helping me. Okay. I'm just so scared I'm gonna get there and then I'm gonna be like, oh my god, I forgot everything I own. It's fine. But I got this little coin purse in Japan. Now I'm gonna bring it to Thailand too. It's so cute. It's my Melody. Oh my god, my Kindle. If I forgot my Kindle, girl, I would rather forget my underwear than my Kindle. That would be bad for everyone involved. The reason why I'm bringing my own like lotions, face wash, sunscreen is because I have heard that a lot of the lotions and sunscreens and face washes in Thailand have skin whitening in them, and I don't want to do that. So it's just easier to just bring my own stuff. I think there are some products that don't have it, but I don't want to spend like so long looking for it. I'd rather just bring my own. Also, if some things don't fit in my liquids bag, I'll just put it in my boyfriend's, I hope. Fingers crossed that he doesn't mind or that he has room. Let's try to fit all of this in my suitcase and my 1 extra pair of shoes. I am only bringing 2 pairs of shoes, 1 pair of sandals. These are like plastic, like I can just rinse them off if they get muddy or take them to the beach, do whatever in them. And then for my other pair of shoes, I'm just going to bring my Dr. Scholl's. I just bought these for Thailand specifically. Of course, I'll wear them after and all of that. So I hope that these will be good for just walking around everywhere. Wearing these on the plane, and my sandals will have to fit into my luggage somehow. Okay, this is actually looking really, really good. Also, I have so many mini soaps, again, because I don't want to whiten my skin. I will also have to keep in mind that whatever clothes I wear on the plane, I will have to pack in here. Okay, let's pack my personal item. I have my glasses just in case my contacts fall out and then my other ones fall out too. God forbid. Sunglasses, hand sanitizer, my deodorant so that I can refresh jewelry and stuff, and then passport, chapstick, sunscreen, a sunscreen stick, and then regular chapstick. My inhaler, asthmatic girlies rise up, eye mask, claw clip. Right before I go, I'm gonna pack some snacks into my carry-on too and put my liquids in here eventually. Oh god, I think that's it. Let me refer to my list actually. What the hell am I doing? Okay, so the last few things I need to bring: my camera, my mic, little camera things, my headphones, my razor, but I'm gonna use that like one last time, obviously. This doesn't feel right that I'm like, okay, well, see you in Thailand next vlog. Girl, what the hell am I saying? We're flying LA to Bangkok, but we have a layover in Seoul for like only an hour. And I'm like, are we gonna freaking make it to the thing? Like, but yeah, first leg is 13 hours and then second leg is 8 hours, I think. It's gonna be a long ass day. But at least I'm with my boyfriend and with my friends. I'm really excited, a little nervous. Like I said, this is only the second time I've ever left the country, but spirits are high. We're all really excited. Okay, well, the next thing I will be uploading on YouTube will be my Thailand vlogs. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe so you can follow along. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time for Thailand vlogs. What? Girl, what? Okay, bye.